Understanding large language model. In a world driven by language and information, a new kind of innovation has emerged, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Introducing in-depth knowledge about the large language model. A large language model, or LLM, is a type of artificial intelligence algorithm that uses deep learning techniques and massively large datasets to understand, summarize, generate, and predict new content. At its core, an LLM is an immense reservoir of knowledge, capable of comprehending and processing vast amounts of information from a wide range of sources. It learns from books, articles, websites, and countless other texts, constantly expanding its understanding of the world. But it doesn't stop there. A large language model can also engage in conversations, answer questions, provide explanations, and even generate creative content. It can adapt to different writing styles, tones, and contexts, making it a versatile tool for countless applications. From customer service and content creation to research and education, the large language model has found its way into various industries, empowering individuals and organizations to accomplish more with less effort. With its vast language capabilities, an LLM opens up new possibilities, helping us find answers, spark creativity, and amplify our own abilities. It's like having a language expert at your fingertips, ready to assist and inspire. The large language model, shaping the future of human-machine interaction. Thanks for watching.